Okay, we're back with a new wooden dummy video. This one is called Go With The Flow. What I'm going to be doing today in the wooden dummy is practicing some of the skills that are difficult to practice without a training partner, but at least I'm going to try and simulate some of those mechanical motions with the wooden dummy. I'm referring to Chisao, or sticking hands, which is normally a drill you do with a training partner to develop sensitivity skills. But a lot of my students seem to have difficulty just doing the form of Chisao and the mechanical motions of Chisao. So I figured out a way of doing that on the wooden dummy. So I need to make some modifications, and then I'll be right back and we'll get started. Okay, here's the new dummy. I've taken out the arms and I replaced them with some collie sticks, and I secured the ends of the collie sticks with a bungee cord to the leg stem, and this gives a little bit of a bounce in the arms, a little bit more length in the arms, and it will be able to allow me to do Chisao, or at least simulate Chisao or sticking hands on the wooden dummy. Okay, so Chisao basically consists of three blocks: a Fuksao position, a Bongsao position, and a Tansao position, and any mixture of those three blocks with both your hands. And you can do any of the Chisao motions on here, and again, just trying to work the mechanical form of it. So if I was to just show you what it would look like in comparison to doing Chisao with one of my students. Okay, I can reverse it and do the Bongsao on the other side. I can do two Fuksao motions. Again, you see that springing motion that I get? Okay, it helps me with my form, keeping my elbows in. Okay. You can even do the Bong Tan combination in Chisao. Okay. I just found it's a very interesting way to go with the flow and use your dummy in more than one of the ways that you're traditionally used to doing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll get another one out soon.